All right, guys, we are in the full process of getting this assembly done now, and we got a lot of stuff going on with the motor bay, and we did have the motor kind of assembled before, but we had a different set of custom CNC cylinder heads on this thing before that that brought it up to about a little more than 10.5 to 1 compression, and we're going to drop that down a little bit so we can run 92 octane pump gas on it. So we're going to use a different set of ported 241 heads on it instead of the custom CNC machined 862s on it. That should be a better fit for this this motor on it, and should make a nice little pump gas 450 horsepower pump gas motor. So we're about ready to put all that back together again. We got all our wire loom now. We're going to try to tidy up this factory harness and get that stuff all buttoned up and make it look a lot neater under the hood if possible. And we'll get that going on too. And we're getting to the front now, which is awesome because the inside of the cabin is all redone now, and everything, the dash is all kind of buttoned up aside from the stereo we got to finish hooking up yet. It's got a double din stereo with a touchscreen that somebody makes a aftermarket bezel for with a bigger opening in it, and then a bracket kit and everything, and the wire harness kit to just tie it right into the factory harness. So that's all kind of plug and play, and definitely makes a huge difference on the way that it looks. We got the Escalade dash cluster in there, and all the door panels all buttoned up, the new carpet in it. The seat covers, we reupholstered the bottom, the driver's seat and everything as well. New console lid, we have to put that on there yet. And then we got the headliner in there also. So we got a new headliner, and all the stuff dyed accordingly in there. The door jambs are all buttoned up. So pretty much the whole interior is just about finished up completely. We've been going like crazy trying to wet sand and buff this thing out to make a nice shiny show shine paint job on painted in the garage right here. So it was just pulled back with a tarp and some makeshift exhaust venting and stuff to do that, to paint it. And we're gonna do a video on how much it costs to paint your own vehicle, and we'll go through all the supplies and everything for that too. So stay tuned for that one. That one, we got a lot of requests for that, of people asking, how much does it cost? What do we need for materials? So on and so forth. And we're going to do a separate video of that completely, taking you through all the steps of what we did to get it to this point and everything. We'll do a separate one on that, but we're still walking through on this one. We got our tailgate is just about dialed in now. We had to do a whole bunch of grinding on the factory brackets and stuff to get our tailgate to fit right, and the rolled pan and everything, and to get the tailgate to open. And we're just about buttoned up with this box completely. We also thought we found a great deal on a set of tires and wheels, or a set of wheels I thought would just look awesome on this thing, and they do. They absolutely look awesome and would fit the vehicle just perfectly. Unfortunately, the offset is wrong. They're a plus 12 and we need like a plus 24. So it's about 3/8 of an inch too wide that they stick out, and we probably won't be able to use these. So still looking for a set of different tires and wheels. But the wet sanding and buffing is almost complete on this truck now, where it's the shine is just remarkable, how much it shines and how much it reflects, and what this color looks like in the sun. Oh, you guys are gonna love this, and I can't even wait to get this out in the sun. It hasn't even been out in the sun at all yet, because it's been 20 below and snowing like crazy for weeks on end. And we're gonna get this thing out in the sun and show some pictures of it outside. You guys are gonna love that. It's just the color. I'm super stoked about this custom mix color on it. And then we're also going to be converting all of our lighting and everything to LEDs as well. And headlights, tail lights, and there's some tricks and tips and everything to that to make them not flash and flicker, and then the turn signals to work when you shift all the LED light bulbs. A lot of times your turn signals don't work because there isn't enough load to them. So we'll show you a bit of that as well. So we'll get all the marker lights, the third brake light, everything done in LEDs, including the headlights. And don't forget to like this video. Click like, throw me a comment, let me know what you think. Ring the bell for those notifications when we get a new video. We got lots more coming up, guys. A lot of cool stuff coming up. I hope you guys are enjoying the ride.